मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगा बेस। बेस किसको बोलते हैं? व्हाट इज बेस? द सब्सटेंस विच आयोनाइजेस इन वाटर टू प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन इज नोन एज बेस। ये तो डिस्कस कर चुका हूं मैं इसको। एंड देन टुडे आई डिस्कस व्हाट इज अल्कली। अल्कली, व्हाट इज अल्कली? The base which is soluble in water is called alkali. The base which is soluble in water is known as alkali. Okay. Examples are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide KOH, lithium hydroxide. Okay, these are alkalis. What is difference between alkali and base? What is difference between alkali and base? All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. This is the difference between base and alkali. Okay. Now come to the next point. Reaction of acid with metal. Reaction of acid with metal. Metal react with acid. Metal react with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. Metal plus acid gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay. Just for example, zinc Zn plus H2SO4. Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Mg plus H2, magnesium. Magnesium ribbon Mg plus HCl, hydrochloric acid. MgCl2, magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Similarly, Al plus H2SO4, aluminum react with sulfuric acid to give Al2SO4 whole thrice, aluminum sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Just see the experiment करके मैं आपको बताता हूँ इसको। This is your zinc metal. This is your zinc metal. Granulated zinc. This is your zinc metal. We take a piece of zinc metal in a test tube. Then you add few drops of dilute sulfuric acid. Hydrogen gas is evolved. How can you identify the presence of hydrogen gas? When burning match stick is taken on the mouth of the test tube, it gives pop sound. This indicates the presence of hydrogen gas. इसको लाइट को बंद कर। Just this is we take the zinc, granulated zinc and test tube, then add dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid. You hydrogen gas is evolved with bubbles. You take the hydrogen gas is evolved with bubbles. Now, Take burning matchstick. This gives the pop sound. Okay, this indicates the presence of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is metal reacts with acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. This zinc is reacted with sulfuric acid to give zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. How can you identify you see the experiment, detection of hydrogen gas, presence of hydrogen gas. When burning matchstick is taken, they gives pop sound. We already see the experiment. Okay. The next reaction. Reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Reaction of acid with metal carbonate. Metal carbonate react with acid to form salt plus water, then CO2 gas is evolved. Which gas is evolved? CO2 gas is evolved. Just for example, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid. What happened? NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas is evolved. Okay. Similarly, calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus H2SO4, you add dilute sulfuric acid in it. What happened? Calcium sulfate plus H2O plus CO2 gas is evolved. CO2 gas is evolved. Okay, then any metal carbonate reacts with acid to form salt, water and CO2 gas. How can you identify the presence of CO2 gas? When burning matchstick is taken on the mouth of the test tube, the burning matchstick is extinguished. The burning matchstick is extinguished, बुझ जाएगा. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस आग को बुझा देती. Extinguish. Another test is CO2 gas passed into the lime water. It turns milky. This indicates the presence of CO2 gas. Okay. Just see the experiment. This is your sodium carbonate or calcium carbonate also. This is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is taken in a test tube. This is metal carbonate taken in a test tube. Okay, taken in a test tube, and then add few drops of sulfuric acid in it. What happens? देखिए CO2 gas is evolved. Just see, CO2 gas is evolved. When CO2 gas is evolved with brisk effervescence, CO2 gas, हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस जब भी इवॉल्व होगा ब्रिस्क इवरवेशन के साथ, फदफदाहट के साथ CO2 गैस इवॉल्व. तो इससे पता चलता है इसमें कौन सी गैस इवॉल्व हो रही है, CO2 गैस इवॉल्व होगा. ओके,
मैचस्टिक ले जाके दिखाइए, बंद हो जाता है.
गैस इज एस्केप्स आउट
At that time,
at that time.
take another test.
Then another. Metal bicarbonate reacts with acid. Next is your third. Metal acid reacts with metal bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is also called hydrogen carbonate. Metal bicarbonate is also called metal bicarbonate is also called metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay. Acid, metal bicarbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives salt, water plus CO2 gas involved. Okay. Just for example, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, that is called sodium bicarbonate. It is also called baking soda. Do you know baking soda? It is used in bakery. Bakery में यूज किया जाता है in biscuits and cake industries. So it becomes the bread or cakes becomes spongy or floppy due to evolution of carbon dioxide gas. HCl gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Okay, just calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 whole twice plus sulfuric acid. What happened? Calcium sulfate CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2 gas evolved. Okay, any metal bicarbonate reacts with acid to form salt, water and carbon dioxide gets evolved. Carbon dioxide gas evolves with effervescence, फदफदाहट के साथ निकल, लेकिन हाइड्रोजन गैस जब भी निकलेगा बबल्स के साथ निकलेगा, लेकिन CO2 गैस जब भी निकलेगा आपको effervescence के साथ निकलेगा. Okay, just see the experiment.
Do I ready for burn the matchstick?
Okay. This is your sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and it is also called baking soda. We take sodium bicarbonate, few amount of sodium bicarbonate in test tube. Then we added dilute. अब उसमें हम dilute sulfuric acid डालते हैं. What happens? Just see. Bubbles are formed. Just matchsticks extinguished. The bubbles, just see, matchstick is extinguished. This indicates the presence of carbon dioxide gas.
Can you show calcium CaSO4 also?
No. Any carbonate and CO2 gas is evolved. This CO2 gas is identified. It extinguishes the burning matchstick. Okay. Test of carbon dioxide gas. Just see. Test of CO2 gas. First test is it extinguish burning matchstick. Burning matchstick को बुझा देगा ये पहला. Second is CO2 gas passed into lime water, it turns milky. Why it turns milky? Milky color is due to the presence of CaCO3, formation of CaCO3. Milky color is due to formation of CaCO3. Okay. COH whole twice, lime water, calcium hydroxide, COH whole twice, CO2 gas passed. What happened? CaCO3 plus water. This is milky. Okay. Formation of calcium carbonate is called milky color due to. आप व्हाइट वॉशिंग करते हैं वॉल में, तो व्हाइट वॉशिंग में जो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज किया जाता है व्हाइट वॉशिंग में, आप व्हाइट वॉशिंग करने के बाद आफ्टर 2 or 3 days वॉल्स आर शाइनिंग. व्हाई? आप व्हाइट वॉशिंग करते हैं देन एंड देयर वॉल शाइनिंग नहीं करता है, और उसको शाइनिंग करने के लिए 1 से 2 दिन लगता है. क्यों ऐसा होता है? क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेरिक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से, लाइम वाटर एटमॉस्फेरिक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से रिएक्ट करके कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बना देता है, जिसके कारण वॉल्स आर शाइनिंग आफ्टर 2 or 3 days. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई. If excess of CO2 gas passed into the lime water, what happened? If excess of CO2 gas passed into lime water, if excess of CO2 gas passed into lime water, the milky color disappears. The milky color disappears. Why milky color disappears? Due to formation of metal bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate. CaCO3 plus H2O plus CO2 gives CaHCO3 whole twice. It is colorless. Okay. This is the reaction of acid with metals, reaction of metal carbonate or bicarbonate with acids. Okay, thank you very much. Next class में फिर next topics पे आगे discuss करेंगे. कितना दिन हुआ सर?